Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ulfa Nurjana with student number 2322000 and this section I will discuss about an analysis of the English textbook Bahasa Inggris when English rings a bell for 8th grade of junior high school. Okay, I choose this book and this title is Bahasa Inggris when English rings a bell for SMP or MTS kelas 8 kurikulum 2013 edisi revisi 2017. And this writer is Siti Wahidah, Asep Gunawan Diantari, and Yuli Rulani Khotimah. In this book, publisher in Jakarta, Kementerian Pendidikan Kebudayaan. List of content. The first is introduction, literature review, research method, result, and discussion. For the introduction, in the first of all, with background of the research, burning issue, textbooks serve as dependable resources that students can turn to for assistance or to replace their knowledge when needed. And for research question or research problem is to what extent does the English textbook fulfill the criteria of a good English textbook based on Konigswerd theories? For a brief review of the relevant literature, introduction, it is best for a textbook evaluator to identify her or his own priorities and drawn up her or his own checklist by using some criteria mentioned in one book and adding others based on personal priorities by Konigswerd 1995. For the aim of the research is to evaluate English textbook for junior high school for the 8th grade in entitled When English Rings a Bell revised edition by using Konigswerd theories. For the literature review, definition of textbook by Konigswerd 1995 identifies a textbook as a research in presenting the material source for learners to practice and do the activities. According to Lee, criteria of a good course book is a teacher should be aware of the following points when selecting a good English textbook. The first is the textbook should not give long grammatical explanation, list of words to be learned in translation and exercise for translation from the native language into English and vice versa. And second, it should give examples of sentences containing the structure to be taught. Number 3, it should lead students to the translation type of learning. And number 4, the structures and vocabulary of the text should be attached to the real situation. And the last number is it should have cartoons and natural dialogues, as many as possible, so that learning becomes more stimulating for the learners. Okay, according to Konigswerd theory, textbook evaluation have 6 purposes. The first is aim, design and organization, language content, skill, topic, and methodology. For the research design, I use descriptive qualitative research and the data search for English when English rings a bell, a model used by MTS Darul Fitri Al-Wasik with 8 students in the first semester by Siti Wahidah, Asep Gunawan Diantari, and Yuli Rulani Khotimah in publishers in Jakarta, Kementerian Pendidikan Kebudayaan. And then data analysis technique, this research used document analysis or content analysis method to describe the evaluation of the textbook. According to Jancic 1994 in Airy et al. 2002. We can see book evaluation by Cunningsworth, where for the 80% to 100% is book very good, and 60% to 79% it is book good, and then 50% to 59% is fine, and under 50% is poor. You can see a score from book English when English rings a bell for A grade. It is result and discussion. For the first criteria, it is aim and approaches. We have for criteria, and for the score, it is 95%, because for how comprehensive is the course book, I give 3 score, because for aims and approaches, we can see the table means that the aims and approaches of the textbook is very good. It can be seen from the learning objective contained in this book, clearly stated in each chapter and easy to understand examples. According to Romero 1975, the textbook should have attainable aims, but the material presented in monotones too long and lack variety, so students quickly feel bored. According to Romero, lessons should be short and well organized. Okay, the Konigsberg theory, and in number 2, it is design and organization, where we have score 95%. It is very good, yes, because for the table means that the design and organization of the textbook is very good. It can be seen from this book provides or organization and consist teaching, so students will easy to understand it. From this book, we can see that it is clear that the series is sequenced according to the material to be taught. Research should be short and well organization by Romero 1975. But judging from this book, for the assessment given, it is too much and not suitable for students. According to Romero, where exercise should be short, never more than 10 or 15 items of the same type. And then in number 3, it is language content. Yes, we have score 90%. But we can see in criteria number 2 is material for teaching adequate in terms of quantity and range. I give score 2. Why? Because you can see from the explanation. The table means that the language content of the textbook is very good. Can be seen from contents which have in this book. This book is equipped with pronunciation exercise by including short conversation related to daily life. Additional practice for oral drilling by Mahmoud 2009. But judging from this book, there are too many explanation and short dialogue, so it is not sufficient. According to Romero, that listen should be short and well organized. Okay, for the number 4, it is criteria for skill. We can see from the table, I give score for criteria number 4 is listening material well recorded. I give score 0. And total for all score, it is 75%, because we can see from explain For skill, the table means that the skill of the textbook is good, can be seen from skill this book. The book provides readings that are appropriate to the materials studied and have also been adapted to the student ability. The content of the textbook should reflect students' needs and interests by Lee Mariani, 1980. But this book does not cover all the material to be explained. We as teacher have to look for material from other sources because the explanation are a little complicated. It's all give an example of sentence containing the structure to be taught by Lee 1975. And for the criteria or checklist criteria by Cunningsworth number 5 is topic. From this book, we can see in the table, for score, I give 80%. Okay, this the topic from the table suggests that the textbook's topic is very good, as indicated by its organization. The course book content should cover a diverse range of topics and be relevant to social and cultural context. It is in line with the statement of Mariani 1980 that the textbook should cater for interest, motivation, and variety in teaching situation. But the topics in this book are too short, good textbook really showing what has to be learned, and in some cases summarizing what has been studied so that students can revise grammatical and functional points that they have been concentrating on. And Harmer 2007, it's like the range of material that learners will get. And then the last for criteria methodology by Cunningsworth checklist, I give score 90%. It is very good, yes. Okay. From the table suggests the textbook's topic and methodology. I'm sorry, it's wrong. Textbook methodology is very good. In this book, students are expected to be able to practice directly after learning because most of the material presented is relating to real life by presenting short conversation and giving summary of the material that has been taught. It should give example of sentences containing the structure to be taught by Lee 1975. Okay, from the most explanation, we have conclusion. According to Cunningsworth, 1995 evaluation checklist, the textbook Bahasa Inggris When English Rings a Bell is a very effective English textbook in many ways. Based on findings and discussion, it meets all the requirements for the best textbook, including those related to purpose, method, design, organization, linguistic content, skill, and dons. However, because there are some materials that are less suitable for discussing, the for language skill textbook do not get high marks for their goals, methods, and abilities. Okay, maybe that's all for me, and it is for all materials. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.